you a couple of quick ideas that you could use to set up a small work surface in your small garage space. I had never taken the time to set up an actual work surface, but it makes a huge difference for projects and it takes up a lot less space than you might think. So let me show you a couple of ideas that you can use in your garage, whether you have space along a wall for a fixed bench like I added, or you need something that is totally set up and tear down. All right, we are looking at the back wall of my garage. I was able to carve out a couple feet deep worth of space to set up a work area while still being able to fit both cars in our garage. So one option, if you can find the space on the side of your garage or along the back wall, would be to set up a workbench. This one is affixed to the wall. We did that so it would avoid any moisture on the floor and also avoid the issue of the floor being slightly sloped away from the wall and towards the garage door. So this is attached with some French cleats against the wall. It's a pretty simple workbench, but it gives me a nice space to work. It's 2 feet deep and nice and long. You could also set up a fold down one if you have a little less space that attaches to the wall like this, but is on hinges so it folds down flat against the wall. Another option for a work surface is setting up something like this with temporary sawhorses. So these are inexpensive sawhorses that just fold up. I can hang them up on the side wall in our garage. And then when I'm working on a project, I can set a couple boards across here. A lot of sawhorses come with a cutout that allows you to put boards right in them. So it gives you a nice stable surface for cutting things on. You can also put a large sheet of foam across if you're doing some cuts on plywood or anything. And then you can also put a large sheet of plywood or MDF on top if you're assembling or finishing projects. And that is really nice to have as an extra work surface for me, but it could also be your solution for your primary work surface if you don't have space in your garage for a fixed workbench like I added back here.